Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our 3D printing course. So in our previous lesson, we learned about 3D file formats and then slices. Okay, in this lesson, we are going to learn about some 3D filaments. So yeah, let's get started. So 3D filaments are basically thermoplastics. Okay, and then they come in various types. Okay, they come in various types, and usually once they are usually spooled around some plastic container. Okay, and then just as you see, you wind, if you have a rope and then you want to tie it, like you want wind it around your arm or something. Yeah, so it's also spooled around a particular container or um, support for it to actually rotate into the extruder. Okay, so this is basically the 3D filament. Okay, and it's a thermoplastic. Okay. They come with various colors in various colors and then properties. So some have like metallic properties, some have properties of rubber, some have properties of wood, silk, nylon, and the likes. Okay. And then they have their own various temperatures. Okay, heating temperatures. So let's look at the types of filaments. So as I said, they come in various types. Okay, we have special properties, so rubber-like, rigid, metallic, transparent, multicolor, dissolvable, and then biodegradable. So as you see, this is a spool. Okay, and then this particular hole, okay, hollow space, is inserted into some holder where the filament can actually be pulled, like rolled into a filament, or once the 3D printing keeps printing, it gets into, like, it rotates, or it pulls the 3D printing, the filament, into the guiding tube so that it prints the object. So you can see some interesting outputs that we have here. So you can see the colors that these filaments have on their final products. Okay, so we have PLA, that's polylactic acid, ABS, TPU, PETG. So I think TPU, PLA is common. CPU, I think it gives this rubber-like thing. So let's say you can use to print phone case or something. If you want something soft, okay, you can use CPU. Yeah. Let's look at some 3D printing care. So to care for your 3D printing, you would have to follow manuals. Okay, so the manuals that come with your 3D printer will be advisable to follow your manual. Like, do read, because you might be doing something that is not expected of you, or you might break some things. Okay, so let's say if you are living in a different country and then you had it shipped to you for you, sending it back might also be a cost. Okay, just say, let's say there's no warranty, or there's a warrant. At least you're actually trying to make the company incur some cost. And then also, what if the company decides not to incur that cost, meaning it's going to be a burden on you. So the first thing is to follow the manuals that come with your 3D printer. Okay, then is your 3D printer networked? Okay, so if your 3D printer requires an internet connection, make sure it's placed at an optimal place, a place that you can actually receive commands like, um, yeah, online commands, or network connectivity, like internet connectivity, just so it doesn't interrupt. I think I need to create this new bullet. This is a continuation of this. Okay, so now place at an optimal place for good connectivity. So as I said in one of the videos or the slides, was the Race 3D comes with a cloud service. Okay, it has a camera inside the printer that monitors your the printing progress. So you can be in your home and then you can still watch or see on your desktop or your phone whatever is going on your phone or in your printer, and then you can control it from there. So you need a steady surface to prevent shaking. Okay, so your 3D printer shouldn't be on a surface that, or a platform that is shaky. So you need a stationary surface, like, yeah, a solid surface that's isn't easily prone to shaking. Okay, you should also protect your filaments from moisture. Okay, yeah. So you wouldn't want your filament to be in a moist area. Okay. Place place your there's an error. Place your 3D printer in an area where you can move around. Okay, you can move around easily. So this shouldn't be another this thing bullet. Okay, so you place your 3D printer in an area where you can move around easily to fix. So let's say in an area that you can actually move around to fix your object, your 3D printer, just so you don't have to find yourself carrying it here and there or trying to tilt it to work on certain parts. Okay, so you need to put it at a place that you can actually move around it so that you can easily fix things from behind or any parts that you'd want to um, have access to. Then you should keep away from AC vents, okay, and then it should be dry and then warm. That's your 3D printer. Okay, shouldn't it should be dry and then warm. When I say warm, not like hot. Some people mistaking warm for hot, but at least it should be at an a good temperature or ambient temperature. Okay. So that said, thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.